Hi, I'm Phil Smith with Transwest Truck Trailer RV. Today I'm going to show you around a Trail King TK30LP. So this is a little bit different than what you normally see on our lot. Trail King's a well-known name in the industry. You probably recognize it mostly for heavy haul and super heavy duty trailers. Nice thing, this is a smaller trailer, but with the same quality that Trail King is known for in durability. This one you can see is a gooseneck configuration. It is an adjustable gooseneck 3-inch ball, as well as some really heavy duty safety chains and hooks. We have the brake backup battery and system here. This is a full electric brake configuration on this trailer. You can notice here in some of the construction, you'll see that it crosses over from their heavy duty line of trailers. Up front here we have a couple of locking toolboxes. Come in real handy for throwing some chains, extra tools, things you need while you're out on the road. I'll touch on this. We've got the double 2-speed landing gear. So this has a similar landing gear setup as what you would find on your heavy duty trailers, making it really easy to raise and lower whether loaded or unloaded. I'm going to move around the side here. As you can see, we've got the bent D-rings. You've got 5 down each side. Very heavy construction, welded solid on all of those D-rings. If you look here, you've got we've got a wood deck. So this deck is 26 foot in length. This trailer has a 33-inch loaded ride height and a 30,000 pound rated capacity. Working our way back on the trailer, you can see this one, we've got the 3-leaf suspension, steel wheels, and the 17.5 tires. That gives it that low profile height configuration. As we come on back, really nice features with this. So we've got the full 60-inch beaver tail, as well as the 60-inch ramps. Now both of these are the self-cleaning configuration, which is really nice because as you get dirt and debris, mud, whatever you have, as you load and unload, that's all going to self-clean, fall out, so you're not hauling that down the road. These ramps are also spring assist, and they also have the pads so that when they're in the down position, they capture the load as you're going up onto the trailer to prevent extra strain on that gooseneck and ball assembly. Trail King did a really nice job with full LEDs all the way around this trailer for great lighting and great visibility as you're on the road. If you have any questions about this trailer or any of the other trailers that we sell here at Transwest, please feel free to ask questions, give me a call. My cell is 720-552-7189. The direct number here is 719-268-4492, or you can reach me at my email, phil.smith@transwest.com. Thanks.